Georgia counties, Heard, Meriwether, Carroll, Toledo, and Troup, and Randolph and Chambers counties in Alabama. This concludes the weekly test of the warning alarm system. We now return to our normal weather broadcast.